I am metete. Mini amaka in Germany. Imba eko ni obawa gbasane o agbasane fiu ko. Ene jepi, yes fiu ko je na e na no. Mi to wo gbasane pa no bo wo GM no one touch. In fact last week imba out akashi ingbele new Facebook page. Ni actually ni amaka in German. No can you very first video nyamana ke she logo can be fair beje she be an create logo can be fair for this page and it's more or less like a trademark ke ha in page no the tag on na in video say come we couple video allo e ko le una video e ko ni sorry una video e ko allo no ko you can just testify ke she in page no ni ekole ona eje maloluko no ona gangman NAG Media TV no NAG Media TV the NAG is just an acronym ni stand for Ni Amaka in Germany no one again very first video ma in Kenya ke Ni Amaka in Germany no bia na in summarize it if le NAG Media TV she obana slogan she any Ni Amaka in Germany no NAG Media TV you might follow the same NAG Media TV at YouTube. No later I call in social media handles apart from Facebook and YouTube and other handles to Twitter how do you call it Instagram, IG and etc. What was an bit bioko pe in a watch wa feel papa kwame chum tete o Dennis tete correct hey wife na la kwame yo ka shi gbeto wa fit feel where I feel. What was an bibio ko pe na nche no mto ma GM no papa no to beni explain ke hanye some time ago. Most let me say bloggers in your the social media space most of them am fear Akan language ni I have not really come across a Ghana person la we fi similar program she la fi how do you call it Ghana language no I thought it wise actually no and let me open a page ma explain the big come get ma be one agbasa so that many and know Ghana language they can also get to understand what is happening and then from both local that is Ghana and then international that is anywhere whether America the Europe Asia whichever place. I was following some media trends Jinkome. And then if I can remember I came across some video not come across but like Captain Smart, yes. No, me Captain Smart. Can for let to be like an above for Angel TV, Angel FM. If let to bo ni if a program she if I can join me earlier. No me if want to join earlier. She time any join a call some man ko the man eba fe eba has some submission ko with regards to tests like nakai COVID test in Ghana feel Ghana ni do ama feel pa koni ekole me ni ekole they did not amebo program it where they understand where I am coming from according to man fangbe neti tacholete etende ane afi COVID test. I can see whether I think it's part of the requirement, UK requirement there. She need a test in so much institution there because I don't want to commit to anything later. Maybe I'll find myself wanting. So me choose in West very, very carefully. Alleged. I can see Noguchi alleged. I can Noguchi te test there. Alleged. To my understanding, even there are some investigations ongoing. Well, it was just alleged. Akashi, yafi tested. No, according to man, they are faith test. The results about the results was positive. No positive any bad. They get okay then ya shia koni near contact because they are UK koni near contact airline akeshi na some issue ko ni wo enye ni ikenake na particular flight e ba nya fa no e to ne chaki a flight sha according to man ke 1 hour later ni actually edit a fait test no akeshi e ba back de bia akeshi mi de ba ke ne tie ameke o bena me fait test ale he was positive no wo abanye ni achake results here kona fe results negative e hale koni enye ke fangwe she va pay 500 Ghana cedis ni fe ni ke fangwe. So I'm like, okay, so just imagine what is happening in the country. COVID eba ni mo fia mo COVID eba mo fia mo ko bi ne ba fe ni e ba fe show akehye ba protect because president care, you know, sana face some contact tracing, sana 4 days, sana finish and a whole lot of things. And then the institutions need won't trust me. We are entrusting our lives on them. Akeshi, they should ensure akeshi all things will go on well as expected. Kuna get the right data government there so that the government there can also rely on the data and then they see how best they can also educate the public. No, the more ni data, the more ni the morning they will also understand akeshi COVID there when akeshi from this location there hela ejejenwa based on testing nafi from that location there hela ejejemewa no ewo sani education enya me more so that they can do their things right. But we are having instances where many men have a test there, you offer them something koni achake or results here or results here. Are we going forward or we are coming back as a nation? Sometimes so touch your join on should be like ni wokla mi ni gba wona ke wote shi ni government efineke na Akufo-Addo efineke ni MPP efineke. Everybody is trying to blame the government. Everybody is trying to blame politicians. Meanwhile, women won't blame Nakengbe. We are not blaming ourselves. We also have to blame ourselves one way or the other. Because test of your Akufo-Addo is not a doctor. Akufo-Addo take his sample. Akufo-Addo for a COVID test. It will directors so that they will be in charge of Nakai activities. Eke bomwande se tashi ne twencho mi pa to mo ban. Akeshi chale enele chale instances ponenche it could even happen to Akeshi na testable ponenche it was even negative. She because na to na ye no ko yo Akeshi oneku ni wa ke no ko ba ko na chake here. Meanwhile onako eko. And funny enough man is a new man and later it was even negative. And he was like, now test me again again. So how come Nimba if I go Nimba test negative? No, sometimes a ben of you it is uncalled for. We also have ourselves to be blamed as a people. We are all fighting. We won't fight Koni, you know, machine. Look at what is happening in Uganda. Bobby Wine. Look at what is happening there. Come on, president there. For the seat there. She because of power. He is power intoxicated. That is how power is. When you yearn for power for so long, no power. If you are to more then you become intoxicated. More ideas, good mindset can have potential. You are not even able to even establish anything because you are now intoxicated. Because if you are to more, everything now is on a silver platter. It cannot drink. No fair no it cannot drink. No, like no fellow cannot din abo. Call ya be na kebo ya. Neke call be wala banya afi airlifting. Like no feel tomorrow. Now you're all thinking level clap bash because you are living too good. Too good. Too good. I just don't want to go into Uganda issues. Too good. I have so many friends all over Africa. I'm going to African programs. So I have friends. Almost the whole of Africa. I have between 6 to 10 friends in all over Africa. So just imagine. The same problem everywhere, not even Ghana, the same problem everywhere. You will be surprised actually what we are facing in Ghana. Kote Lesotho no. When you go to Uganda, same. When you go to Botswana, same. Kote Nigeria, Bobo. Kote Togo, same. Kote Essie, same. So you're like, so what is exactly wrong with the black man? The black man. What is exactly wrong with the black man? God going for no shishi. Nini you on there? Mogaga o jeje bolanche meboba. Mini no flag me no fag by o flag on to me egbele aloloko. Fag by into me egbele. When you also travel on to bagbele, I can travel and see. In my in video ko ni fe so keneti in video se menye bana. Ke nyageshi ke oya otako school to me down. You have not even sat otako school to me down. At all in your lifetime, ni nyumo drobo no fangbe one no tablochi outside Africa. No aye even 1 month no course. Your level of thinking change, your way of thinking, everything changed completely. Everything changed completely. Mwage ni mena mini otako school chumna mini ojo ablochi over 1 month ne no mini okay. This is how the system is. Everything changed completely. Everything changed completely. If I went to different countries before finally I found myself in Germany, Europe. Germany. Even as late as even 2 a.m. As late as 2 a.m. Get traffic lights red, you still have to wait. Still, it's an old mess, an old motion. 2 a.m. She's still dangerous, an old motion, no man. Actually, the inner police, the police in you, Bodencha, your guilty conscience, Bodencha, born a pack, she beno half of Nencha is wrong because near soon red. Intakashi me, you're in Bodenche. Moko fe bono go way. Police mobo. Noko FAbo she Bodenche, you don't even feel comfortable to even cross the road. You don't even feel comfortable. This is how the system is. Inner police. So somebody like me, Oba na nekeni, ote back to our home country, let's say Ghana. Traffic light is red. Me no in Germany, mamme, konike su green akeshin ya danumaya. And then in Ghana, I don't really care whether it's red, whether it's yellow, whether it's green. For me, the moment you step there, the ideology, no fear, no way of thinking, everything also changes. Environment, no fear, no chakio. You ask yourself that why? Because the system and the people within the system will not even support you to even do the right thing. The moment you start doing the right thing, no kaboti. When you start doing the right thing in Ghana, look about it. No, in Ghana, it's like you always have to do the wrong thing and then you find your way. Because that is the norm. When you don't do the right thing, then it's like you are left behind. As Shimbo said, when you do the wrong thing, then we move with you. But then sometimes you are doing the wrong thing. What is wrong? The whole world is going, everybody is going straight. When you are here. Imagine a road of, let's say, 50 kilometers. Mofiamo ya here. Jela me fe ashe to mo 25 kilometers. Half of the road na ya. Half of the journey na ya. 50 ya to mo 50 kilometers. Jela me fe ashe 25 kilometers na ya here. Africa pair. Jenny, we are even on the road there. Okay, but what do more road there? No, poor she. Boy, I can't wash it more 10 kilometers. When it's warm, but few. We are even going the opposite direction. So when are we going to even see the road? Kono join the main road there and even start the journey. No, what journey? What journey? We have not even joined the queue. 100 kilometers yeah. Africa, we have not even joined the queue. We are the opposite direction. We make back our doorway. Then we will join the right way before we take off. No need to let me finish 25 kilometers now. Yeah, what were your opposite? When you tell your fellow black people, your fellow Ghanaians, your fellow Africans, your fellow Nigerians, hey, we are moving towards the opposite direction. Nya what on lele, nya what on boat there. Come over join queue. They think you are mad. I flag go is okay. I flag shimini. Ofangbe. So you think say what? You know, oing be and me oing be belly. Okay. Hinje. When you are in your comfort zone, you think, oh, that is it. Oh, but no, I Georgie. No, I can't do it. That is a lazy man's approach. When you are in a comfort zone, that's a lazy man's approach. When you move out on yes, there are very, very big opportunities and big challenges. Listen, you have to find yourself out there to challenge yourself. What is go to university? What be university now? What a university now? But first degree. Let's say on first class, hello, second class lower. Whichever status no in here. One thing you also need to understand, Nakeshi. The moment the university about what go with na kind of degree, alone na kind of certificate there, you have to know Akeshi, you are now competing with the world. Na kind certificate you are now competing with the world. You are not only competing with your classmates, your legon, your tech. No, you are competing with the world. Because when you move out, that got certificate habo. No te, no anota no chumo. No chumo no anota we. Shortlist in about fear, allo many when I interview. They are not your classmates. Are not classmates, me one allo two. The other people they are also from different universities. They are all going to fight for the same job. Mayfair and they are fight for the same job. That you have to understand. They are all going to fight for the same job. That you have to understand. So if you think actually on your first degree or your masters, no masters no. Master said no, many you are going to compete with them. They are your peers in your school. You lie bad. You are not going to compete with the same graduates from China, Lesotho, Ethiopia, Egypt, Germany, Taiwan, Kuwait, Nevada. Name them, US, name them. The same university degree. Whether masters, or whether first degree, and in the first degree, you are going to compete with all these people for the same job. So when you go to school, no be school learner, na have degree. The degree you will get, the diploma you will get, the certificate you will get. That certificate, it is not meant for only competing with the peers you finish the school with, but for the entire world. So you have to open your tentacle. Bear off it, Jamie. No, Nakeshi, no. No, me na here. A cash call. You have to be very open-minded. Open-minded. Ote school. What school? Ote first degree. Obena. I have o degree certificate. Oba German. Oba no bata no chumo. No chumo no ba no bata we. They are not in Germany. You are coming to meet Germans here. You are going to put your certificate down to go and look for a job. The job they are not shortlisting. Shortlisting are not here. There are Germans there. There are Ethiopians there. There are Italians there. There are France B fair, there are people there who have also brought their degree to fight for the same job. Shimiwale wafono e Ghana. So this tells you actually the certificate you have there, it is not only meant for compete with the peers no can but for the globe. So you have to be open-minded. I don't. It's so much deviate from the topic enemy treated. I was only treating Nakan COVID there. Let me give you some personal story. My friend neighbor, share in video many that's all I'm like she me faith teaching say gonna me she me faith teaching say not necessarily later more faith deep teaching say na just make bass and want to na me tole pa no what GM no obesima ama achampoma tete thanks for watching. I am only building audience and then we'll speak sense, we'll tell them what is happening and then they can also follow say. People will let people know the opportunities out there, both local, international. There are so many programs in the youth there. We need to now open up. Hey, my people, there are so many opportunities. Do this, do that. The way we open. Opportunities LP. Later, I'll come and tell my life story. I'll mark Kenny, my life story, the life story of myself. I'll come and tell them my life story. When you follow my life story, I am not here just to joke. I not just to get followers. But each time things are evolving. Now, like I said for my previous video, it's now a global village. We are all one people. I am here in Germany, but I'm speaking, and there are people also listening from the other side of the world. I'm speaking my local language, that is Ga. She means blend with the English language so that other people can also follow. Or understand in conversation entirely you will get to understand and follow what I am saying. But it is what it is. This is the language I have chosen to speak because I'm trying to target some particular group of people. But hey, yeah. Okay, so like I said, let me come back. Let me tell you one thing. This COVID thing, just this year, in Ghana, the month of September, I think the last week in September, yes, the last week in September, in Geo, first week in October. So I'm check, I have to be very sure. No, first week in October, and she the second week in October. Funny thing, ni move no, before I move I had a communication actually. Anybody who is coming to the country, if I can me akufa tomorrow, me if I can tomorrow 18th updating you now some updates connect. Ndiema kind of update. Actually, anybody who will come to the country, no facial actually or fake COVID test at least 3 days before you travel. So you have to do it where you are coming from. Whether you are coming from Germany, from UK, from US, from Italy, whichever country you are coming from, you have to ensure actually of a COVID test. The test over fear, you do it 3 days before you travel. Okay. This is what I knew. Okay, then I will do the test. I live in Germany. Any your Frankfurt, no most of the time in Frankfurt. Can get family from Frankfurt in war plane and where. So I went to Frankfurt. In register online. Ninte Germany I have an appointment. Ninte Frankfurt. Now taking sample can be fair. I trying your IDs can be. Now I'm going to get sample about it. Then the results about ready within I think 12 hours. Yeah, I think 12 hours. No, the following day, I'm sending me email with my results. Yeah, PDF no negative. So I printed it out. And documented that is what I knew. And I also know actually when you get to Ghana, Ghana airport, Kotoka, you also have to pay 150 euros. That I also know, actually, something that I have to pay. Okay, no problem. No means I actually my fee can be a time my check can be fair, and then I took off. Plane never fun. But into Frankfurt, plane never fun. Ni fee transit here Amsterdam. No, from Amsterdam, ni connect straight to Kotoka, because now there is no straight flight from Germany to Ghana. Previously, in America, Lufthansa, she for some reason say I may no me KLM can use or no I'm in use or no most of the time I may Amsterdam before I connect. Don't Amsterdam. Don't need Amsterdam. So now it's at more 2.5 hours to connect my next flight to Ghana. That was like 2nd October. No way, no, if I get shown like a chance to go to the one at Ghanaian they are also going back. Most of the time, we're going to take Ghana on several occasions. No, if you're not Ghanaian now Mama are back. If she could break out here, no, on I get she move on I get airport because of security case and also very careful can it be or if you to sometimes say, oh, you know, you won't be you can't be your point just no touch it because you don't know what is happening. She didn't get to me, she like she know there is something going on. Nia bonnet to here. Asuma, I kept 24 hours ago. Ghana government a rule another allowing her some another orders. Akeshi. Anybody who is traveling to Ghana, the person must make sure Akeshi you pay your 150 euros online with credit card before you come to the before you arrive at Kotoka. Then I was like, hey, I never knew about this thing. But so what are they saying? Like, if you take a decision back, and then the decision will take effect within 24 hours. No take effect under normal circumstance. There can be in at least let's say a 14-day like open period. Message so that people will get to understand that actually this is what is happening. No, before the where you have really prepared yourself. I am a for holidays. I am a for workshop. No coffee make a decision. Maybe the person don't have credit card to pay na kind 150 euros online. No offer ne obanyani in 150 euros. No obanyani offer ne payment ne on my behalf here online. I can scan more money credit card there ke more if you mean register like in a receipt before about fan. Could you believe actually Amsterdam airport there are people stranded. Mugweba workshop. Also for going to if I give a fair program. Also going to a fair program ne airport na akele funny enough ponenche if COVID test po ye country ne if I get to mo like get to mo Italy allo France singele pe ni ne Amsterdam if I get COVID test po ye country ne ba de nche eheni chale Amsterdam ke akotoka come on let's check befa po ba je yin she bo work no amafa. And then within 24 hours, say you pass this, you make this rule like she so not pay be fair online before you move. In your credit card. Airport no my phone no, and then make the payment. But it doesn't make sense. It makes sense because and there are so many people who are stranded. No, many men are making here credit and many here can pay. No, it is not right. No, what we also did was we all came together. Actually, no, the airline, the KLM airline should call Ghana government. Could I make a Ghana government? Actually, hey, there are a group of people now in Ghana. I make a 150 euros and I pay online. They are not going to pay it in money. They are not going to pay it to work. The rule is that when you get to Ghana, you are supposed to pay. So when they get to Ghana, they will pay. Their money, everything is ready. That come Ghana. What I pay, we are not going to pay anything online. we came together to do that because there are some people what they need. I mean, here credit card there, but they have the money. They have the money to make the payment. No, can me here go need to pay. Then here credit card. Tell me if you get some washing left, so benefit can you look at the October. Bene if I can blame share. Go me if fit money in a yellow floor. So benefit can Amsterdam will fit my yellow floor. No. So I'm like, so God, it doesn't make sense. No, all of us we didn't pay. No, but she could inke before my inke airline I may fulfill book I may inke no na fair there inke Amsterdam 2nd October yeah Amsterdam inke coach je me to my boloshi inke ko one e to money ne e to petrol ke la e to inke je shom up inke blofo me ame fe dai e chale me no me hu ni ame gba ona be inke go again na acha foreign minister say na acha me ne na ba bon college fe mo inke la chancha me police fe ba security ba dumo shi je ne fe komo mo ko pepe ni fi oni e wo no be ko le abaja na ba arrest le she ne almost team fe ni ba ata plane me wo fe no on blow again so you can't just arrest entire flight bullet to president je dale yin no ba arrest entire flight inge me fe je somo ni me na me yen credit ame pe wa me profi wo okay what can man fa na ba fa and then they came out akeshi okay Ghana government ke akewa ba shibana akewa ba airline say fe issue akeshi everybody is having that money konye physical money at least call credit card issue akeshi yen credit card asuma no ba ni government Ghana government fe ni akeshi. There are some people when they get to Ghana they refuse to make the payment. Amaka me yeshka na me fe nege e ka detain am ka detain am ko detain so no la me so no fe no go ka ngma me ni wo bia na fe akeshi na me tasha na akeshi no they are losing no you have to make the payment before you even come now me ke airline say fe you akeshi hey before no come go aba Ghana make sure akeshi mo fe na kan payment there. That was the concept na ma move wo ba she kotoka no I say kotoka fe nge ma fe din agbana covid time e she ana fe covid test na bati abato line okay chobie na fe mi de ba she no ya fe covid test nke non ake ni ne ko na ke wongu gomi ona so ejepo engba mi nke info nke gele ke shengo gomi ne ejepo nke ko iye fufu go ejeme ngba nge afi kom no go sibleje mi info nke go mi fe to mo card nyengo gomi almost more to mo 4 hours when you feel comfortable na ba take sample self na ba coin passport na ba enter details self ba machine me na Kenya na ba fe neke no mbia ke results na ke o iya carousel ko ni ya na wo bag she ya wo bag before ni ma exit here airport my results will be ready and I pick my results nke okay. That's a general rule. Almost like 20 to 25 minutes. Nimba self and loan back say nimba front. No need no immigration back. No go to my account. I check. I na hear results. And I got there. Nisha jeme no lady ke o e account ko ne ke o e ba he e ke ngem passport ne ke passport e hale. Ni gale no ne ko ne twa no ko computer no ne gbera no negative shinya. So I was like, negative, yeah. Like in no shishi. From here, you told me, Akeshi, if a COVID test 3 days before I come, you have a test, now print out the me. I can send me email, you print it out. Do nanang man neke a face sample neke date neke time can it be fair no fear no cano the type of test na fe how many hours you okay a fe na can it be a fair doctor can it be ashishi no stamp a sign can it be no fear and I'm like yeah one bag ni ba okay me pass ni can pass no to our computer no go agashi negative yeah just like that okay na me only in Bagana eche. Bo Kenya. Memi muya. Ninte. Ninshi ninjepo. Ninte. And I met my family people and then I left. So the question I'm asking myself is it really actually a fair test? Your airport hello? Is it really a fair test? Your airport hello? Just imagine the amount of money they are collecting. One flight would take close to, let's say, 1,000. Let's say 500 to 700. It depends on it because flight didn't come here. Nobody can say, well, let's say 1,000. One flight he made 1,000. Let's say made 1,000 by Ghana. One flight, €150, $150. Multiply it by 1,000. And then multiply it against the number of flights per day. No, a day, I don't know. Let me statistics. I don't know how many flights by Ghana per day. But let's just assume actually a day, let's say 50 flights by Ghana a day. Every flight, let's say actually equal like €1,000. Look at the amount of money they are making over there. And funny enough, many fuel tests they are not even from Noguchi. Hela Bashishiji, it was Noguchi. They had sleepless night. Now, faith test, contact tracing, chombe jebe. Ni time mention about faith test airport. Now, private people now about faith test. Test I feel one resource. I was never given any resource. I was never and ever given any resource. Actually, Papa, over faith test, only fair flare. Onakweko, ya, allow ye fair flare, oneko, ya onekwe, wa lucky. No. I was never, they can check. I may check. 2nd October. Ghana. I may check. Immigration is there, they are there. I may check. 2nd October. I was never and ever given any COVID report test. Any COVID test report. I was never given. Never. They only told me actually negative. Yeah, math, negative. Yeah, finish. I'm like, hey, hello. You are gonna policies. Nothing is happening. So you answer that is why people even wonder whether there is even COVID here Ghana. People even wonder. I was never given a test report. Report now, honey. Don't even fake Germany. I still have it in my document up to now. I still have it. Can't check for Prudential. They send me email. I can even refer to my email and retrieve the report again. I was never given. Funny enough, Prudential. None of Frankfurt, Germany, Frankfurt, Prudential. I paid only €65. I paid €65. I paid 60. That is a voluntary. Test. Voluntary. €65. Kaji, I have a letter. Kaji hospital. I don't know. No put and get free. She ne voluntary. Imba test. €65. Ghana $150. Abo report. €65. They gave me a report. I don't even know my report as of now. I don't know. I can't fake COVID test. Call John Moshe. Call no and then you are making a government unpopular. We have to call a spade a spade. It doesn't matter who is in government, whether NDC, whether MPP, whether Equiador, it doesn't matter. So far as you are in government, we have to hold you accountable, whether you like it or yes. You don't expect Akeshi. We should go and hold NDC accountable. For what? We gave them mandates. They didn't do well. So if something is not going on well, we have to ask you. It's our be opposition. Instead of us to ask COVID, we are making the government unpopular. So I should go and tell NDC Meanwhile, they are not putting policies. It's every NDC running the country. The group of people running the country, I mean, Sunny will be a question. When they move out, any other party that will get CPP, but will hold CPP accountable. Because MPP do not do what no work, but okay, CPP, but MPP, young, don't be an okay CPP. One on one, what can I try one on one? On to defense can in attack. Or forget MPP. It is what it is. No can go yanoni. You are not letting the people speak out. Hey, enemy, because Parliament, government, you can't tell me I in a Fafi country. We are about 35 million people. It doesn't mean because you are in government, they are learning people in the country. They have only decided they don't want to come into government. Doesn't mean no call you have had the opportunity to it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. I was just listening to Captain Smart. They interviewed Director General, Ghana Health Service Director General. You will cry. You will obafo. Ghana Health Service Director General, Captain Smart interviewed. You obafo. So the thing is, are you there because of the people or you are there because of government? The government will come and they will go. The people will still be there. Ghana Health Service has been there from Jinjinsa. You are not the very first Director General. Never sure no. Yes, you might be appointed by the government or by the president, but you need to call a spade a spade. You are a health professional and you know the implications. Captain Smart in Bilakeshi, Director. Akufo-Addo another update, and from the look of things, Ghanaians in Yakeshi, she Ameka fe word, fe gathering, fe neke. Look at campaigning MPP fee. Look at campaigning NDC fee. Niko kwa picture ne Captain Smart keng me Angel FM. MPP bini boashi. Tuma toni. NDC. Come on. Get some money here. Over millions. Now gather. And then you also say so during the campaign time, I mean COVID, I mean large Ghana. God want to share. Director care. During campaign time, they did not record any COVID cases. Now, during the campaign time, can you during the campaign time, update back Ghana Service, website there, they also stopped the update. Government have the Ghana Service, update. I stopped no just to finish the campaign. Campaign time is ventilation. No, call your me no ventilation also play another role. No, people cannot contract the disease because when I can shave it more on open space. No, Director General Ghana Service. You have classmates in the country. Unfortunately, they are not Director Generals. You have peers. No kamegbe. Medical school now. You have peers. They are as learned as you. They are as competent as you. They have only decided actually they will not go into this government thing. They are only at the clinical side, just doing patient doctor thing. That is their calling. Both flaggers you want to go into administration. That is also your calling. Do you think that in your heart, do you think that your people, your peers, they will agree with what you are saying? No. The fact that you are a Director General, Ghana is a daddy mean a country. No. Captain Smart be like, hey, Director, no call you actually open space and ventilation. Then they should open the stadium. Because campaign now come on and then Director in Kagashi ventilation or then open the stadium because stadium low ventilation is also an open space. And now it doesn't work like that. What are you protecting? What are you protecting? And then later, I go interview in your own office. Air condition show here. Bolenche, you're getting conscious in Bonakesh. Oh, by Director General, President Iwumi. Menenche Mina can only no, if I fit more, I am making the government unpopular. I might also lose my position. So, none government at our so they are doing what their paymasters is expecting them to do. It's like they're handicapped. It doesn't work like that elsewhere. These people all went to school outside. They went to school in Germany, they went to school in UK, they went to school in US, they went to school in India. They know actually when a government appoints you, they know the precedents, the precautions, they know the nitty-gritties in it. And then they know actually if you want to call a spade, you can call a spade a spade. Just do the right thing. You know you did the right thing. But no they buy go over. And the people are suffering. The people are suffering. The people are suffering. You are like, oh, you are making the government unpopular. Okay. No, I'm a in Kenya, you are UAP, no, or another teaching. Hopefully, we can another teachings. Can it be again? We can move forward from there. To be in last, a lot of not teachings, but I will not use the term teachings. So a lot of discussions. To be in previous there are a lot of things need me to discuss. Marriage issues. Marriage feel I'm going into my almost married this year 9 years no can in answer 9 years I can't share call can chombo age I've been in marriage for 9 years, so you can just imagine you can't share call no not a lot of experiences during marriage and before marriage. For a lot of experience, I'm still getting experience. So I also feel I thought it was actually I have to share it. Kone, the young ones and I'm in Baoni, they also feel like they also want to enter into marriage where they know the steps to take. Apart from that, we'll have a lot of discussions about political things because most of the things there are more of political things. Maybe they don't really understand what is happening. For instance, when I get petition hearing, election petition hearing, what happened here, actually at Supreme Court? How many people even watch it anyway? Do they even know what is happening? Who is representing who? These things are very, very important. Sometimes it's not for equal. No, for you to learn. You have to know your country. You have to know your country. What is happening? You have to, because you can't just be isolated. Oh yeah. Oh, many 4 years. No vote. Oh yeah. You have to know what is happening. You have to know what is happening. So when you are going to cast your vote, you cast your vote with your head, not your heart. Many people in the country cast their vote with their heart, not their head. Wagba no Sunday. Wagba social Sunday. But most of the things no wagba waji ablochi Sunday. Befa Sunday. Chibike amiko alo accounts call nkrata sem wagba wolo Sunday. Ablochi otofa wolo ke wagba na we have discussions about those things. Ko to no fagbe. Nibi no to no fee, nibi is no fee. Before, during, after. You have to know all these things. It is very important that everybody must travel. At least once in your lifetime, you need to travel. Call your crap and chat, at least boy, I have to go over, no for you over. To go there, be a flower beer, no. One got to know to it's just by the way. But hey, sitting in a plane is also another experience altogether. But we will go more detail because there are a lot of things Nathan will discuss. omoko abiene otoba omoko babiene otoba moko ani e Ghana eto efagbe elebo moko ya blochi. The question is te ba feten ni ke ba ka ba she ni play na ba ibo she ngo ya chuni jonas ba ke 1 minute bia aban ba se twe no ko ba dumo she ni 1 minute bia aban ba se me te no me no ata because bus is a no mercy here. Now you get 1 minute bar aban bus, yes, and quality 1 minute bar aban bus. Aban bus and there are numbers on the bus. Every bus has a number. The number a direction there. No call them we are blochi. Every 1 minute bia no an bus no 2 time or 2 time no kabote busy. Or back by a fence and never get the washing be a name. No, make panify. Just follow my page, NAC Media TV. So the NAC stand for Nia Maka in Germany. NAC Media TV. The same name, YouTube, NAC Media TV. So you can search me on Facebook, NAC Media TV, and then YouTube, NAC Media TV. No, most of the time I can't be programming now. Ma uploading here YouTube. I decided to open also another YouTube channel because there are most people they don't really do Facebook. I'm on YouTube more. I'm a few. Now I'm quite flash screen, especially many you're outside. No okay, Netflix and YouTube and on the no be quite long eke kase no ko alo no ko and one of the so that is why I also decided to have this YouTube channel and then upload this videos in my feed over there. Then yes, then we move forward like that. So thank you very much, everybody. Minda mofia moshi anye minda mofia mo awo juba koni ke juma awo wake shida ba se ha anye mo ko bye bye.